Hello there, and welcome back to Wednesday's edition of Calendar. And well, we only have 3 more days of schoolwork to do until we have Christmas winter break. And you know what? You're going to have to wear your coat because it is getting chilly outside. We're getting so close to winter. Let's see what today's date is. Oh, well, yesterday was Tuesday, December 15th. What would today be? What's after Tuesday? Starts with W. My favorite letter. What? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, December. What's after 15? 13, 14, 15. Did you say it? I couldn't hear you. 16. 1 and a 6. 16. Now, let's say it all together. Today, not yesterday, today is December. Oh no, I messed up. Let's start over again, because sometimes teachers make mistakes too. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. You can't forget your day of the week. You cannot forget. All right, let's have a seat, Mr. Wiseman, and count not by ones. How did you know what I was going to say? Let's count by tens to 100. Thumbs up if you think you can do it. Double thumbs up if you know you definitely can do it. All right, let's count and hold up both hands because we want all 10 fingers counting. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow, we went from 0 to 100 in no time. Let's do it one more time for extra practice because practice makes perfect. Are you ready? Take a belly breath. Make sure you're sitting up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, wow. Excellent work. That was super duper fast. Let's slow it down and do it slower. Okay? Let's do it slower. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. OMG. We went slow and it was still quick to get to 100. All right. How did you know we were going to count by fives next? All right. Well, let's count by fives, and this is going to take a little bit longer, but it's because we're going to say a few more numbers. Now, let's do it. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We are excellent counters. Let's do it again. Let's do it a little bit slower this time and see if it takes us a long time to get to 100 or still not very long. Okay. Are you ready? Take a belly breath because I run out of breath with this. Make sure you're sitting up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I couldn't hear you there at the end, but then I could hear you. I'm glad you didn't forget 100. All right. All right, boys and girls. Well, I'm going to stand up and, oh, something's missing. What's missing from our calendar space? All our money is gone. Oh no. Do you see where it went? Do you see it? Oh, I found it. Here it is. You know what? Look at all this money that Miss Morrissey has let us use. Let's see how much she has of each. Now, remember, we have pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Let's sort each of them. Then maybe we can count it and see how rich we are. Well, Miss Morrissey is because it's her money. All right, let's see what's first. Ooh, we have a dime. Now, got a marker here. And whenever you use a marker, don't forget, where does the lid go? Let's see, I'm going to put pennies here, nickels here. Let's put dimes here. Now, I'm going to write dime above it, because this is a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So, do you see our dime there? 10 cents. Now, when you say cents, you can just put a C with a line through it. 10 cents. How many dimes do we have? 1. So let's do tally marks. I'm going to do a tally mark. 1. Let's see what's next. Ooh, what's this? It's the back. A dime. Another dime. Let's put that there, and now we have 2. These are tally marks. It's not 11, it's 2. Because they're OMG, another dime. That makes 3 dimes. Maybe we only have dimes. What do you think's going to be next? A nifty nickel. All right, let me write nickel here, because nickel starts with an N. Nickel. And how many cents is a nickel worth? 5 cents. It's not as much as the dime. There's my C. 1. 2. 2 nifty nickels. All right, 2 tally marks. Ooh, dimes still have 3. What is this coin? It's the back. It's the Monticello. The back of a nickel. And guess what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A new leader. A nifty nickel. Worth 5 cents. That's 4. That's 4. We better close the gate. How many nickels do we have? Oh, don't worry, I'll pick it up. We have 4 plus 1 equals 5. Close the gate. Close the gate. We have 5. 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. We have all kinds of nifty nickels. Do you know what's next? Another nickel. OMG. 6 plus 1 equals 7 nickels. I'm going to run out of room. All right, do you know what's next? Do you know what this is? It's like the phase of the moon sometimes. A quarter. I'm going to put a quarter here because it's the biggest one that we've got. Quarter is worth, this is a big number. Do you know that number? 25 C's, 25 cents. Because, not an S, sometimes C says S. Ooh. Ooh, two. Oh, I almost forgot my tally mark. And then we have 2 quarters. So that's 2 tally marks. All right. Do you know that one? We haven't had that yet. Penny starts with a P, and it is only worth 1 cent. And we have 1 penny. So there's 1 tally mark. All right, do you know what's next? How did you know that it was going to be a penny? Oh my goodness, you are just a good guesser, I guess. 2 pennies. Next is going to be another copper and zinc. It's brown. 3 pennies. Oh, I don't know if they're going to catch up to the nickels, though. Maybe, they just might. 3 plus 1 equals 4 pennies. I bet you we have more pennies. Do you think we have more pennies? Whose house is that on the back? Abraham Lincoln's in Washington, D.C. Oh. Close the gate. You gotta close the gate when you get to 5. The nickels are gonna be getting nervous. 5 plus 1 pennies equals 6. They only need 1 more. Ooh. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 dimes. Oh my goodness. 3 quarters. That's a lot because there were 25 cents. 4 quarters equals $1. Okay, we only have 1 more. 1 more coin. Oh, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Wow. All right, boys and girls. Well, we have a lot of money from Miss Morrissey's, and guess what? Guess what? Let's see how much. 5, 6, 7 pennies, 5, 6, 7 nickels, 4 dimes, and 4 quarters. Ooh, equal. But a quarter is worth more than a dime, so we have more money in the quarters. All right, boys and girls, well, you know what? Miss Morrissey is going to be doing calendar tomorrow. I'm going to erase this when we're done, and then I'm going to put it back up for Friday's calendar. So you better come back. You better come back so you can see how much money Miss Morrissey actually has. All right, well, I'll see you next time. Well, I'll see you on Friday. Bye.